Every galaxy begins as a tiny ripple in the early universe, formed from chaotic clouds shaped by gravity's silent pull. As these clouds collapse, gravity squeezes matter tighter, creating the first bright regions that seed new galaxies. Slowly, rotation begins, shaping the collapsing cloud into a spinning disk, marking the earliest stage of a galaxy. Inside this swirling disk, pockets of gas ignite into the first stars, flooding the young galaxy with brilliant new light. The galaxy grows as new stars form, their combined gravity sculpting elegant spiral arms, reaching through the cosmos. Deep at its center, a supermassive black hole forms, anchoring the galaxy and influencing its future evolution. Over billions of years, galaxies collide and merge, reshaping their structure in spectacular cosmic transformations. These mergers create bursts of star formation, igniting regions of intense brilliance that light up the surrounding space. As galaxies age, their massive stars explode as supernovae, enriching space with heavy elements essential for life. With time, star formation slows, leaving older stars to dominate as the galaxy settles into a quieter chapter. Still, galaxies continue drifting through space, shaped by dark matter halos that hold their structure together. Some galaxies grow giant, becoming massive ellipticals with dense centers formed from countless ancient mergers. Others remain small dwarf galaxies, orbiting larger neighbors, often stripped of gas, yet crucial to cosmic evolution. Over time, galaxies slowly fade as star formation ends, leaving only aging stars glowing in quiet cosmic twilight. Eventually, many stars die, white dwarfs cool, and the galaxy enters a long period of dimming light and fading motion. In rare cases, galaxies collapse inward as gravity overwhelms them, marking dramatic endings to cosmic lifetimes. Some galaxies transform through new mergers, allowing them to restart star formation and briefly shine again with life. Across the universe, galaxies follow unique paths, shaped by time, motion, and forces we still struggle to grasp. From explosive beginnings to quiet endings, galaxies reveal the universe's story and its endless cycles of change. Even now, new galaxies continue forming, ensuring the universe remains vibrant, evolving, and endlessly surprising. Galaxies teach us that creation and destruction are inseparable, shaping a universe built on endless transformation. Their life cycles remind us how small we are, yet how deeply connected we remain to the vast, ever-changing universe.